Welcome to Sugosha Defense News. Today's highlights. Thales partners with Garuda Aerospace to advance India's drone market. Aditya Birla Sun Life Mutual Fund files draft document for Nifty India Defense Index Fund. Three state-of-the-art testing facilities to be set up in unmanned aerial systems communication domains. DRDO successfully tests Phase 2 ballistic missile defense system. Indian Army's T-90 Mark III tanks will receive a new Datron 1500 HP engine, replacing the current Russian V-92S2 engine. BrahMos Aerospace to supply critical components for DRDO's 80KN engine. 755 applications approved across 14 sectors. Investments of rupees 1.23 lakh crore attracted under PLI scheme till March 24. The global headlines. Raytheon Technologies wins contract for missile production for Japan. United States and Netherlands sign agreement for JASSM air missiles. Indra launches Maestre Mission Systems Research Lab for Spanish Army future armored vehicles. The news in detail. With an objective to tap the rising drone markets, Thales and Garuda Aerospace inked a memorandum of understanding to promote the development of the drone ecosystem in India on 31st of July. As per the understanding, Thales would offer a range of radar and sensors for high performance unmanned aerial vehicles detection. Garuda Aerospace will manufacture the high-tech UAVs and service applications. The MoU aims to transform the Indian drone landscape and will come into effect in August 24. Aditya Birla Sun Life Mutual Fund has filed a draft document with SEBI for a new defense fund, becoming the third fund house to offer a passive fund focused on the defense sector. The draft is for the Nifty India Defense Index Fund. In the past year, the Nifty India Defense TRI has delivered an impressive absolute return of 162%, making it an attractive option among mutual funds. The Aditya Birla Sun Life Nifty India Defense Index Fund is an open-ended index fund that replicates the Nifty India Defense Total Return Index. The scheme aims to provide returns that before expenses match the total returns of the securities represented by the Nifty India Defense Total Return Index, subject to tracking errors. The scheme will offer both regular and direct plans with growth and IDCW options. There will be no exit load. The minimum investment amount for lump sum investment is rupees 500 with additional investments in multiples of rupees 100. For monthly and weekly SIPs, the minimum investment is rupees 500 with subsequent investments in multiples of 1. An MoU was signed on 30th of July under which three state-of-the-art testing facilities will be set up in Uttar Pradesh in the domains of unmanned aerial systems, communications and mechanical and material. Under the agreement, one facility will be established in Lucknow in mechanical and material domain and two in Kanpur, one each in unmanned aerial system and communications domains. While the MoU to establish three testing facilities as part of the UP Defence Industrial Corridor was signed on 30th of July, the agreement to set up three facilities linked with the Tamil Nadu Defence Corridor in the domains of UAS, electronic warfare and electro-optics in Chennai was inked on 2nd of July. For the M&M facility, Midhani is the lead SPV member, with some private sector companies being the consortium members. Hindustan Aeronautics and Bharat Electronics are the lead SPV members in the UAS and communication testing facilities, respectively. DRDO successfully flight tested the second phase of its ballistic missile defense system, demonstrating homegrown capabilities to defend against hostile missiles having a range of 5,000 kilometers. The target missile for this test was launched by DRDO initially and it began to approach its objective in order to be killed. Weapon system radars were stationed on land and in the sea to detect any approaching threats. They identified the target missile that was approaching and alerted the AD interceptor system. The Phase 2 AD endo-atmospheric missile was launched quickly after the prompt response, and the target missile was perfectly intercepted and vaporized. The target missile was launched and it took only 4 minutes for the interception to be executed. This brief period of time highlights the necessity for the BMD system to quickly detect, track, and make an autonomous decision on which battery to utilize in order to carry out the interception and carry out the kill. Indian Army's T-90 Mark III tanks will receive a new Datron 1500 HP engine, replacing the current Russian V92S2 engine. The new engine will also be used in Arjun Mark 1A and future tanks, aiming to streamline maintenance and reduce logistical complexity. Mobility trials are expected in the next 2 years, with the production panel in the next 4 years. Datron 1500 HP engine offers several advantages for the Indian Army's tanks. With 1500 horsepower, it provides significantly more power compared to the current Russian V92S2 engine, enhancing the tank's overall performance and mobility. Being developed by the DRDO, it reduces dependency on foreign technology and supports India's self-reliance in defense technology. The new engine is expected to offer better fuel efficiency and reliability, which is crucial for operational effectiveness in various terrains. The Datron 1500 HP engine is developed by DRDO in collaboration with BEML. BrahMos Aerospace Thiruvananthapuram has secured a contract to supply critical components for the DRDO's 80KN engine program. This program aims to develop a new afterburner module for the dry Kaveri engine, which will power the LCA Tejas trainer aircraft. The key features of the dry Kaveri engine are: it provides a dependable dry thrust exceeding 49 kN1, making it suitable for various operational scenarios. The engine incorporates flat-rated characteristics to mitigate thrust drop due to high ambient intake temperatures and high forward speeds. Beyond conventional fighter aircraft, the dry Kaveri engine is also being considered for the forthcoming remotely piloted strike vehicle. The engine is being developed in collaboration with Godrej Aerospace, which marks a significant milestone in India's aero engine capabilities. Plans are underway to develop a new afterburner module capable of generating a thrust of 73 to 75 kN. Production-linked incentive schemes for 14 key sectors have been announced with an outlay of Rs 1.97 lakh crores to enhance India's manufacturing capabilities and exports. The 14 sectors are mobile manufacturing and specified electronic components, critical key starting materials, drug intermediaries and active pharmaceutical ingredients, manufacturing of medical devices, automobiles and auto components, pharmaceutical drugs, specialty, steel, telecom and networking products, electronic technology products, white goods that is ACs and LEDs, food products, textile products, MMF segment and technical textiles, high efficiency solar PV models, advanced chemistry cell battery, and drones and drone components. As on date, 755 applications have been approved across these 14 sectors. Investment of Rs 1.23 lakh crores have been realized till March 24, resulting in employment generation of around 8 lakhs. The criteria employed in the selection of beneficiaries under PLI schemes includes but not limited to willingness to making required investment, production of approved product categories under respective scheme, eligible net worth, domestic value addition, etc., as mentioned in scheme guidelines issued by the implementing ministries. In the global news, Raytheon Technologies has been awarded a significant contract valued at $1.94 billion for the manufacture and assembly of Standard Missile 3 Block 2A all-up rounds. Japan has actively engaged in developing and deploying the Standard Missile 3 as part of its ballistic missile defense strategy. The SM-3, a key component of the Aegis BMD system, is designed to intercept and destroy short to intermediate range ballistic missiles. Its hit to kill technology, which uses kinetic energy rather than an explosive warhead, enables it to neutralize threats with high precision. The latest iteration, the SM-3 Block 2A, is a collaborative effort between the US and Japan. Netherlands has signed a letter of offer and acceptance with the United States for the purchase of Lockheed Martin's Joint Air-to-Surface Standoff Missile Extended Range on 29th of July this year. This agreement makes the Netherlands the fifth international customer of the JASSM-ER system. The JASSM, that is the Joint Air-to-Surface Standoff Missile, and its extended range version, the JASSM-ER, are air-launched ground attack cruise missiles designed for the US Air Force and its international partners. The JASSM-ER, designated AGM-158B, was developed alongside the standard version and entered service in 2014. Indra has developed the Maestre mission system to be integrated into the Spanish Army's 8x8 Dragon armored wheeled vehicles and tracked support vehicles. The company, a European leader in the development of these systems, is now launching an advanced laboratory that replicates the vehicle and an emulation operating environment to work on the mission systems that will be used by these state-of-the-art armored vehicles. The new laboratory will facilitate not only the development and evolution of the software of these systems, but also training, 4.0 maintenance, and tests to study how the vehicle behaves in different configurations, as well as incorporating new sensors and the analysis of their interoperability with other systems. It has working positions that allow to manage the mission systems as the driver, vehicle commander, gunner, and embarked platoon would do. These positions have been designed so that they can be installed in transportable containers or shelters so that they can be deployed in the units determined by the Army. That's the news for today. We hope you enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and do give us your feedback. Thank you.